Shelee. Welcome to my channel. I have been experimenting with Bloopers for a while, and I decided now would be a great time to use some extra paint. I also decided that I wanted to use some older canvases that I practiced on before that I really did not like the results. I will put in the description box the information to the paints that I am using, as well as a discount code to the class that I took to learn this technique. As you can see, I have already started painting. I poured a large puddle of white semi-gloss house paint in the center of the canvas. I am following with small amounts of color paint in the center of that puddle. One of the reasons why I named this video Bloopers is because I am using way too much paint for this canvas size. The bloom technique is unique in that it uses a heavy consistency paint as the base layer, medium consistency colored paints, and then a lighter consistency paint on top called the cell activator. When the paints are layered on the canvas, then air is blown into the center to spread the cell activator, which creates the laced cells. This is a super fun technique because it can be combined with other painting techniques to create truly unique effects. Now that I am done layering my colored paints, it is time to add the thinner cell activator to the top, which is black. Remember, I am using way too much paint for this canvas. This is going to be super messy, but fun to work with. I am so sorry that my head is in the way. Now it is time to spin. But for some reason, I put the canvas on top of Dixie cups instead of placing it directly on the spinner. My canvas spins off of the spinner. Another blooper for the reel. As you can see, as I spin, the design starts to open up and grow. I love how the black offsets the pink, the blue, and the yellow colors. Simply beautiful. I am spinning a few more times to help lessen the amount of paint on the canvas. If I leave too much paint on the canvas, then I risk the paint crazing when it dries. Crazing is when the outside layer of paint dries quicker than the inside layer, which creates cracks and valleys when the paint is completely dry. Sometimes I think this creates cool effects, but this piece would look better without. Now it is time for my second experiment using another older canvas that I painted that didn't turn out very well. Instead of using house paint as the base layer, I am using craft white paint that is mixed with all sorts of stuff: Floetrol, glue, silicone, wood conditioner, glycerin, you name it. It is pretty much my dump bottle for white paint. Another one of the bloopers in this video is that I did not make sure my canvas is level. You can periodically see how the paint keeps moving towards the left of the screen. This is not a big deal since I am watching it, but it could be potentially disastrous if I left the paint alone. It would run all off of the canvas. I am almost done layering the colored paint, and as you can see, I am using way too much paint again. The colored paints I am using are created from color art pigment powders mixed with my pouring medium. I'll add the recipe in the description box below. What I love best about color art pigment powders is that I can use them in my acrylic paint pouring and in my resin art. The colors are shimmery and iridescent and give a subtle sparkle when dry. I love them. There goes my paint running off the canvas. I have added my black cell activator, and now it is time to get messy and blow the paint. If my head was not in the way, you would see me blowing the paint from the center of the canvas to the sides. And yes, I did get paint in my hair and on my glasses. Spinning the paint is fun. Look at all that paint spinning off of the canvas. I am loving this design. I had my doubts about how well these pieces would turn out. I was pretty confident that at least one of the pieces would be a blobby mess. One thing my art has taught me is to be patient and don't have preset expectations. I am so excited to see how these pieces dried. They kept their design and there is a little bit of crazing, but overall, I think they look beautiful. Now I am going to spray them with Rust-Oleum Crystal Clear Enamel. I am spraying a layer from left to right, then up and down, and then I will spray the sides. I am holding my camera with my left hand while I spray with my right hand. This is definitely not an easy thing to do. Can you see how the colors are becoming more vibrant as I spray on the clear enamel? I am going to call these two pieces Breakthrough. The light is breaking through the dark. Let me know what you think about these two pieces and what you think about the bloom technique. Thank you for watching my video experiment and bloom bloopers. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so that you'll get notified when more videos are uploaded. See you in the next video.